What if we could use AI to help learn a new programming language? In this series, we're going to do just that. We're speedrunning the Elixir track on Exercism.org and using AI as our partner and trainer. Howdy, I'm Kevin. I saw 50 of these exercises 2 years ago before shifting my focus to Phoenix and LiveView. But we're restarting the track using any AI tool or technique that helps us master each exercise and learn the language faster. I'll do my best to guide our learning, explain solutions, and fact-check the AI's output. Come along as we learn Elixir together. Here we are on Exercism.org. I've gone ahead and created my account and signed in. It's a straightforward process I trust you can handle on your own. Next, we need to get into the Elixir track and then solve the first Hello World exercise. I'm going to bring in AI straight away by using Google's AI Studio. The AI Studio has a real-time feature called Stream, where we'll share our screen, and then we'll have a conversation with Gemini. So pardon me for a moment while I speak with Gemini to get into the Elixir track and solve Hello World. Hi, Gemini.
Hi there. What can I help you with regarding Exercism?
What about this site do learners find effective?
Exercism helps learners by offering coding exercises and mentorship to develop fluency in various programming languages. It is open source and not-for-profit. Would you like me to elaborate on any of those aspects?
Tell me more about the exercises.
The exercises on Exercism cover over 78 language tracks, ranging from beginner to advanced levels. They encourage practice and fluency in your chosen programming languages. Would you like to know more about the specific types of exercises or how they are structured?
I see pieces here about mentoring in community. Tell me about that.
The platform encourages community interaction through discussion forums and collaborative learning. Mentoring is also a key aspect, where experienced members guide others, reinforcing their own learning in the process. Would you like more details on either the community aspect or the mentoring program?
No, but it sounds wonderful. How would I get into the Elixir track?
To get into the Elixir track, you can browse the 78 language tracks and select Elixir. After that, are you planning to start with the first exercise, or do you want to explore other features of the track first?
No, I think we should get started on the first exercise.
The first exercise in the Elixir track is Hello World. Are you ready to proceed to the Hello World exercise page?
Yes, I'm there now. How is this page laid out?
This page introduces the Hello World exercise. It offers options to start in the editor, install Exercism locally to work on your local machine, and provides an introduction video. There are also instructions and information on how to complete and submit your solution. Would you like me to elaborate on any of these sections?
Let's try and solve the exercise. What's the easiest way to get started?
The easiest way to get started is to use the in-browser editor. Just click the Start in Editor button within the Via Exercism Editor section to begin. Would you like me to guide you through the next steps once you're in the editor?
Absolutely. I'm in the editor now. What are the main ideas here?
The objective is to modify the provided code so that it produces the string, Hello World. Then, you'll need to run the test suite to ensure it succeeds and submit your solution. Are you planning to modify the code first or watch the introduction video?
Let's work on the code.
Okay, it looks like line 7 currently has the text, Goodbye, Mars. What do you want to change it to?
I think I'm supposed to change it to Hello World, aren't I?
Sounds good. After you've made the change, you can click the Run Tests button to see if your code produces the expected output. Shall we proceed to run the tests after you change the text?
Yes, I've changed the text. I'll hit Run Test now.
Okay, I see that you've changed the text to "Hello World." Now that you're running the tests, I'll wait for the results.
Oh no, the test failed.
I see that the test failed. It looks like the test expects "Hello World" with a capital H and W, but your output is "Hello World" with lowercase letters. Would you like to modify the text again to match the expected capitalization?
All right, I fixed the capitalization, reran the tests, and it looks like the test passed.
Great job. All tests passed. Would you like to submit your solution now? Or do you want to explore or improve the code further?
We'll submit.
Okay, it looks like you're submitting the solution. After submitting, you can continue to improve your code, or, if you're done, submit it on your iteration to get automated feedback and optionally request mentoring. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding this exercise?
I see this label processing here next to iteration 1. Is this the automated feedback you were talking about?
Yes, the processing label indicates that the automated feedback is currently being generated for your submitted solution. Once it's done, you'll receive feedback on your code.
What kind of feedback?
The automated feedback generally covers aspects like code style, best practices, and potential improvements. It can help you identify areas where your code could be more readable, efficient, or idiomatic for the language you're using. Are you interested in knowing more about what kind of feedback you might receive?
We'll tackle that when we get some feedback. But since this is Hello World, I'm quite confident about the answer. Let's just mark it as complete.
Sounds good. Marking "Hello World" as complete unlocks the first exercises in the track. Is there anything else you'd like to do, or are you ready to move on to the next exercise?
I clicked Mark as complete, and now I have some more choices. I can share my solution, it says, or I can just mark it as complete. Tell me about sharing with this community.
Sharing your solution with the community allows others to learn from your work and provides an opportunity for collaboration and feedback. Your code will be visible to other Exercism users who are learning Elixir, and they may offer suggestions or alternative approaches. Would you like to share all iterations or a single iteration?
Well, for Hello World, I don't think there's a lot to talk about, so let's just mark it as complete.
Got it? I'll mark it as complete for you. Is there anything else I can assist you with right now?
All right, so it says we've completed Hello World, and now we can get on to some real exercises. What do I do now?
Now that you've completed Hello World, the pop-up indicates you're ready to dive into some real exercises. You can start your next exercise to gain access to the mentoring section on your track, or review the 58 Elixir concepts. Would you like to start the next exercise or review the concepts?
I click Show Me the Concepts. What is this screen trying to show me?
This screen presents a visual overview of key concepts in Elixir. Each box represents a different concept, such as basics, anonymous functions, and bit manipulation. They are connected by lines to show relationships or dependencies between them. The locked icon on each box indicates that you need to unlock these concepts by completing exercises. Are you planning to explore these concepts, or would you like to go back and start the next exercise?
So it looks like basics is the only unlocked box, and one of these two icons are different. Tell me what these icons mean.
It looks like you've noticed that the basics box has two different icons. The gear icon, when selected, displays lasagna, which is an available learning exercise. The key icon indicates that the concept is unlocked and available for you to explore. Would you like to start the lasagna exercise?
Not right today, thank you. Thanks for your help getting started with Elixir.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could assist you. Feel free to reach out if you have any other questions in the future.
I really enjoyed the interactiveness of stream mode with context awareness. I use Google's AI Studio for help with other applications too. The shared visual context and conversational pattern is really helpful with complex menus and settings. Now we're established in the Elixir track on Exercism.org. Join me next time as we tackle lasagna.